Yeah.
Come on, Art.
I got it.
You're struggling even more, Art. Come on. Don't be the mama, boy.
Yeah! Only 4 more to go.
Sucker.
Come on, Justin.
Come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was a better way.
Yeah. Just flip it over.
I got a nurse on staff next door. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. If you start having a heart attack, I'll run over there, I promise.
Come worried about pinching my arm. Made it look easy now. That was like in my mouth.
Yeah. You make it look easy. You really do.
My dad makes it look easier rather than ours.
I know he does. Yeah, ours has to dig out of the dirt though. Is that button flashing on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, it's working, man. I still learn how to use that phone.
Oh.
Don't bend
Good job.
that, Art.
I'll break this. I'll help you fix it. Okay. It's not.
We're not going to be using it since we don't have horses anymore.
Maybe we'll press the chupacabra.
Yeah, I have to have a pen to put him in.
The what?
The chupacabra. It's a monster. It's a monster. It's like Sasquatch, but meaner. That's 4.
4. It's 3 for me, so 4 for you.
I know what the
Evan.
chupacabra is.
Yeah, he's like the Mexican Sasquatch.
Visit Mexico
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah, he's a goat eater. The chupacabra.
How can those things be everywhere?
I don't know. I know. Same with Sasquatch.
They have magic.
This ass.
Come on, Art.
The Yeti.
Oh.
Art, you killed the dead guy, Art. Good job. Trying to kill you.
Art, don't let the plastic bag hit the fence.
I hate that bag.
Don't let it hit. See?
Clearing it.
It's nice.
Just clearing it.
It's nice form.
It is.
You copy the exact
can't.
same thing. Don't let the bag hit the fence.
Utilize the dragon, Art.
Yeah, you like the dragon. Yeah, that's it.
What? Come on. Come on.
That's right. You got it.